Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm gonna show you if Google voice typing mic is not showing or working on Galaxy A05 device. So what can we do? All you guys have to do, just go to settings so that the keyboard will be appear. Okay, as you see, we don't have any option of Google mic. So all you guys have to do, just go to settings and then go back. Okay, now as you see, we have option of keyboard list and default. So we have the option of Google voice typing here. So just enable this feature and then go back now to see the result. But as you see, the Google mic doesn't appear, so we have to enable one more feature or one more setting. So for this, all you guys have to do, go to setting and then again go back. Now we have option of keyboard button on navigation here. So just tap this feature or enable this and go back. This time we can check. So as you see, we have option of Google voice here. Now allow this and then search for anything. As you see, it is working. Display. So as you see, it is working perfectly. And guys, if you have no Google voice option here, so just tap this feature. We have two option, keyboard option. If you have a keyboard option here, so and you want to enable voice, so all you have to do is just long press this and then go to voice input so that the Google mic will be appear. So that's it about the video. If this video helped you guys, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in the next video. Take care.